AI agents in Slack can boost team collaboration, automate repetitive tasks, and streamline workflows. They provide real-time support, handle internal requests, and deliver instant insights, all within your Slack workspace. Today, I'll show you how to integrate a Recomi AI agent into Slack, turning it into your AI-powered assistant for work and business. Before integrating, you'll need to create an AI agent in Recomi. We've covered this process in a previous video, so if you'd like to check it out, you can find the link in the comments or explore the Recomi video series. Of course, don't forget to create or select the Slack workspace where you want to add your AI agent. Now let's get started. First, select the AI agent you want to integrate. Next, click the Integration tab and choose Integrations from the sidebar. Then, click Connect on the Slack card. Follow the setup wizard to select your Slack workspace and channel and complete the integration. Once done, open Slack and enter the channel. If you see this message, your AI agent has been successfully added. Now you can start interacting with it by asking questions. Super simple, right? Start creating your own AI agent with Recomi now, integrate it into Slack, and boost your productivity. If you have any questions during the setup or integration process, feel free to leave a comment. We're happy to help. Integrate Recomi and provide smart, real-time support.